Welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. Today we will learn how to preview Photoshop file and Illustrator EPS file in Windows 10 and Windows 11. So as you can see, these are my Photoshop PSD file and these are Illustrator EPS file. First go to Google, then type SageThumbs in the search box. Go to this link. Now download the SageThumbs software. The software is downloaded. Now install it. You must have an internet connection while installing this software. The software is installed. Now restart your PC. Check now. As you can see, my Photoshop file and Illustrator EPS file are previewed. Remember, Photoshop document size must be between 1 to 4500 pixel. PSD file may not preview if more than 4500 pixel. Thanks for watching the video.